In front of me is INFINIX Zero 30, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this device. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called OS Launcher. It has to be from this developer, Launcher OS from Launcher Studio. When your app is ready, go into Devices Settings and hit App Management. Then select Default Apps, click on your Home App section here, and to apply Launcher Pro, click on it. As you can see after that, mine was successfully applied. To adjust it, just do it in the Launcher app. If you want to go back to your default one, go back to the same settings and select your default launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!